Today we are going to learn one of the most important things we're going to learn in this class, and that is how to multiply two binomials. So here I have the two binomials, x plus 5 and x plus 8, and I'm multiplying them. And the first way we're going to learn how to do this is the box method. This is going to be similar to the area models that you have used maybe like in elementary school. So we're going to take our first polynomial and we're going to write it along the top, x plus 5. Notice I kept the sign with that one. And then when I'm going to put the other binomial along the side. So x plus 8, and I kept that sign with it so I don't lose that sign. Now we're going to look at each section and we're going to multiply what's at the top of the section by the side of the section. Basically, we're sort of like finding the area of this rectangle. Okay, so this is x and this is x. X times x is x squared. Then when I look at this one right here, I have the 5, and this side is the x, so x times 5 is 5x. The bottom one, I look at this one, I have 8 times x, so that is 8x. And then this last one over here, I have the 8 times 5, which is a positive 40. Now I have four terms here. I have x squared plus 8x plus 5x plus 40. And I should notice that these middle two terms are like terms. So I can combine them and I end up with x squared plus 13x plus 40. So notice we multiplied two binomials and we ended up with a trinomial. Let's do another one. I'm going to multiply x minus 4, and I kept that minus with the 4, times x plus 11. And I'm going to look at each area and do the multiplication. So this area right here is x times x. That is going to be x squared. This area over here is negative 4 times x. So that is negative 4x. Down here, I have 11 times x, which is positive 11x. And then in the last corner, I have negative 4 times positive 11, and that's going to be negative 44. So I have the terms x squared minus 4x plus 11x minus 44. Notice that two of the terms are like terms, so I can combine them. I get x squared plus 7x minus 44. I multiplied two binomials. I got a trinomial. This time I'm multiplying 2x plus 8 times the binomial x plus 7. The coefficients, the signs can all be different, but it is always done the same way. So I'm going to write 2x plus 8 along the top. I'm going to write x plus 7 along the side. So x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 8 is a positive 8x. 2x times 7 is 14x. That's a positive. And 7 times 8 is a positive 56. So I have 2x squared plus 8x plus 14x plus 56. Once again, notice my two middle terms are like terms. So I'm going to copy the 2x squared. 8x plus 14x is 22x plus 56. I multiplied two binomials. I got a trinomial. All right, here's one more. Why don't you pause the video, try this one on your own, then turn the video back on to check your work. This time I got 24x squared minus 38x plus 10. Check your work, make sure you got the right answer, make any corrections that you need to, and now you're ready to practice.